Hey everyone! Today we're going to talk about how to complete the first task in the reading section, complete the words. If you, like most students, complete the easy words quickly and then get stuck on the more difficult ones not knowing what to do, this video is for you. I'm going to share a proven step-by-step strategy that works for my students and that I personally would use to complete this task. Let's dive in. First of all, count the letters. This is step 0, the foundation. Always do it. You can lose points even if you understand the word simply because you used the wrong form. So double check. Is it material or materials? Include, includes, or including. Pay close attention to word forms and count the letters carefully. Step 1. Read the text from the beginning and complete all the gaps that are obvious. For example, 2 looks obvious here to recognize. It's usually much easier to complete words with only one missing letter. The same word appears again here, so let's complete it as well. Thanks to is obvious. Such as is easy too. If you've already figured out more words, great job. But I'll go step by step to show you what to do when the task is difficult and you don't understand most of the words at first. Step 2. Check for words that already appear in the text. Sometimes the word you need to complete has already appeared in the passage, so you can simply copy it. Do we have words like this here? Not exactly, but we do have a very similar word. Look at this sentence. Thanks to widespread VACC. What word does this remind you of? Vaccines. Good. However, this word is longer. What longer word do you know that is similar to vaccines? Vaccinate, vaccination. Thanks to widespread vaccination programs, yes, that works. Step 3. Look for common collocations. Collocations are typical word combinations that often appear together, such as put into practice, lay the foundation, or take into account. For example, IMM system is a very common collocation. Have you figured it out? The passage is about vaccines, health, and medicine. The answer is immune system. If no other collocation comes to mind, we'll move on to the next step. Step 4. For the gaps that are more challenging, analyze the structure of the sentence. Look at the words before and after the gap. Figure out what part of speech is missing. A part of speech means the type of word, noun, verb, adjective, adverb, and so on. You can pause the video now to make sure this is clear before we move on. Now let's determine the type of word that the first incomplete word is. Well, every sentence needs a verb, and if you can't find one, that's probably the missing word. Vaccines do something with the immune system. To check if you've identified the correct type of word, place any word of this type instead of the incomplete word. For example, if you think this is a verb, try adding a verb. Step 5. Focus on the meaning. Ideally, choose a word that fits the meaning of the sentence. Vaccines blank the immune system to recognize. Okay, let's try vaccines teach the immune system to recognize. Makes sense? It does. Step 6. Brainstorm ideas. We know this is a verb. It means something similar to teach, and it starts with TRA, and 2 letters are missing. Possible options: trade, track, train, train. The correct answer is train. Vaccines train the immune system. This process might feel slow now, but with practice, you'll do this much more quickly in your mind. Let's now apply steps 4 to 6 to the next gap. What type of word is missing here? Usually, the word and connects 2 similar words. Recognize is a verb, so the incomplete word is probably a verb too. Let's focus on the meaning. Vaccines train the immune system to recognize and... What do you think the meaning is? For example, resist or combat diseases. So what word could it be? It's a verb, meaning resist or combat diseases. It starts with FI, and 3 letters are missing. The answer is fight diseases. Let's move on. What is this WI word? If a word feels very challenging and you can't figure out the type of word, leave it for later and move on. What about causing ILL? Ill is a word on its own. It means sick. But this word is longer. What type of word is it? It's cause something, so it should be a noun. What noun comes from ill? Illness. Now let's go back to the WI word. Read the sentence again and focus on the meaning. Vaccines train the immune system to recognize and fight diseases, blank, causing illness. Do vaccines cause illness or not? They don't. That's the whole point of vaccines. So they train the immune system, but they don't cause illness. Have you got it? Without causing illness. Great. Now let's look at the next sentence. What type of word is missing here? It describes a type of disease, right? This means that it must be an adjective. Now focus on the meaning. Pro tip. If the meaning is unclear, simplify the sentence. Thanks to widespread vaccination programs, blank diseases such as smallpox have been eradicated. Simplified version. Thanks to vaccination, blank diseases have been eradicated. What kind of diseases have been eradicated with vaccines? Well, we usually use vaccines to prevent dangerous, serious diseases. Let's test this idea. Thanks to widespread vaccination programs, dangerous diseases such as smallpox have been eradicated. Does it make sense? Yes. What word can it be? Some type of diseases, meaning dangerous, starts with DEA and 3 letters are missing. The word is deadly. It means a disease that you can die from. Now, of course, you can't complete a word you don't know. That's why, in addition to learning the most effective strategies, it's essential to improve your vocabulary. Learn new words when you practice reading. Here are 2 bonus tips for you. Bonus tip 1. Think about the word form. For example, a noun can be singular or plural. A verb can change depending on tense. Figure out the form first and add the letters that show this form. Consider this example. Water evaporates from O, lakes, and river. Because lakes is plural, the other 2 words should probably be plural too. You can add the S first and then figure out the words. Bonus tip 2. If you can't figure out a word, it's often because you're not focusing enough on the meaning. Reread the sentence. If necessary, reread the entire passage. That's it for today. Practice these strategies and learn to complete this task quickly, because on test day, you want to save more time for the academic passage task, which is usually more challenging for most students. I hope this was useful. I'll see you around and have a nice one.